2020. I know it's been a while since I've been on. I made a small rant in 2019 about something, but other than that, it's been a very long time since I've been on and I've made any videos regarding my hair. I started this journey years and years ago, and I wanted to document my natural hair process, I guess you would say, or my natural hair journey, but I didn't stick with it because now that I realize now, I don't think I was so much on a natural hair journey. I think I was on a hair length journey. Only thing I really wanted was for my hair to be long. And I have since then gone back and forth from natural to relax, from natural to relax. And I fell back in love with my hair. And I have determined that I'm in a space to where I prefer to wear my hair short, regardless if it's in a natural state or relaxed state. I just prefer to wear it short. It's a preference of mine. I think it's less maintenance and it's just what I like. Everybody have their preference. As you can see, I am relaxed. Again, said a minute ago, I'm relaxed. My cut, don't talk about it. All right, don't talk about it. I know when you upload videos on YouTube, you open yourself up to criticism, okay, and that's fine. But hey, I cut it myself. It was a spur of the moment thing. When I relaxed my hair, I said I'm gonna cut it. And I did have an oops with that the other day when I was in the mirror trimming the back of my head up. I had a small, yeah, you see it. I had a small accident, but I was okay. Accidents happen, okay? And I keep my handy dandy topic for anyone that has natural hair, relaxed hair. I don't care who you are. If you maintain your hair or try and trim your hair between visits, this is a lifesaver, okay? Because shit happens, and it happens, and I feel it in. Anyway, I came back because I wanted to try derma rolling. And I have been reading, I've been doing some research and looking at some reviews. And I know that derma rolling produces collagen, which may have the tendency to thicken your hair, or I don't want to say produce new hair follicles, because scientifically I don't know if that's possible, or maybe if the collagen affects your existing follicles so that the strands coming out of those follicles are thicker somewhere in that area. But that's why I want to document the derma roller. This is my derma roller. I purchased this from Amazon. It's 1.5, which I researched and read it. That's the best for the scalp. I've had this about 3 weeks, but I've only used it twice. I haven't really gotten into it yet because I'm not quite sure how I want to do it, if I want to include any oils, which is also why I'm on here, because if there's anybody that has done derma rolling, you're currently doing it, or know someone that has, I'm open to tips. I'm still researching any type of oils, any kind of shampoos, any kind of topical treatments. I want to document this to see if I'll have any thickening or growth in areas where I haven't previously had growth. My hair grows I think it grows at a slow pace. My daughter has a tendency to think it don't. Like I said, in October, I cut my hair down, like maybe a fade down. I cut it down. And it's March now, and it's relaxed, and it's what it is. But I just I don't have a desire to have long hair. I want it short, but I do want it to be thicker. Derma rolling is my first step to attempting to get thicker hair. I do want to try the PRP treatment, which is the platelet treatment, and there's also a stem cell hair restoration treatment that I have researched, and I want to try that as well. And when I get to the point to where I'm going to try those, I think I want to document it. And so if you know anybody that have tried those as well, and you've seen great results or read about it, or great facilities, hit me down below. Let me know what you think. If you've tried it, give me opinions, give me all of that. But basically, this is just a short video to let you guys know that I am coming back to document this, because I want to keep a video journey of the process, and what better way to do that is through YouTube. So just quickly, one thing I have I see, well, one thing I figured out about the derma roller is you have to be careful when you use this derma roller. You don't need to apply too much pressure to where you see blood. That's completely unnecessary. You can apply medium pressure to where you feel the needles, but it's not uncomfortable. You have to go in the direction that your hair is growing, or it will rip your hair out. And what I mean is, one of my areas of concern, if this area with my hair going this way, this is how I would use a derma roller in this area. Like I said, this is medium pressure, if I'll call it medium pressure. I don't have to push really, really hard to where it is uncomfortable. I don't think that's necessary. So basically, this is the journey that I'm on now, and I just want to take you guys with me. I'm also looking for any tips on what we're using now for our relaxed hair. What are new products out there that we're using that you love? What are some of the lightweight moisturizers, whether you use it on your relaxed or natural hair, that basically keeps your hair healthy and extremely moisturized? So it's just a little journey that I'm on, and I want to document it, and I want you guys to go with me. So I'll probably come back once a week and make a video. I know we're not going to see hair growth once a week, but anything that I choose to do different to my hair, any products that I'm using, I want to come back and I'll let you guys know about it. I'll probably come back sometimes to have small talk, because I am on this weight loss journey. I am doing the digital version of Weight Watchers. I am down 7 pounds, and I'm excited about that. I'm working out often, which is great. I feel great. It's just a lot that's going on, but the main reason for me to be here today is to talk about my hair, because I know everybody has so much going on with their hair, and I know now we're in a time to where everybody has a lot to say about what everybody else does with their hair, but that's another video. But anyway, I ask that you guys stay with me. I promise I'll be consistent. Please tune in, and if you can give me any tips and tricks on what to do, what you're using, anything, I am open to suggestions. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.